All right, guys. That's what happens when you pick up. It's been a while since we've been up to our homestead in a long time, so everything's kind of overgrown, just kind of killing it now. I got the Hornet in its great spot. She's loving it here, full hookups. Not full, I don't have a dump there, but that's coming. Oh, over here. Over here. We got a sitting down lawnmower coming. So I just wanted to do this because I need exercise. I've been sitting on the beach, riding around in e-bikes, doing all that garbage. It's time the chief gets to work. So you can see that grass right there, all the way up and down. We stopped over here where it's kind of like flat here a little bit. Stopped over there. Got to trim all that down. Just wanted to show you the height of this grass. Let's see. Look at that. Holy smokes, like a farm. And no, I'm not growing corn or beets or corn star kind of stuff. But we're having fun. And I'm getting a lot of exercise, taking my time, drinking a lot of water. Trees are all in bloom, beautiful colors all around us. We're getting there. Okay. So what kind of beer are we gonna get?
Okay,
What's Corona mean? Or
Kona.
What does Kona mean?
Kona means drink fast, eat fast. Okay, so because there's no additives, 100% natural. So Kona's
Filming us and shit. All right, cool. Backyard. I trimmed and left some grass in front of that tree because there's always 2 or 3 deer laying down onto there. That's their bed, so I can't trim that tree or do anything with that tree. Oh no, he said it'll kill me. That's babies. So I left all that grass in front for them to eat, hopefully. And we got the back. I got to clean that back out. That's where all the wood's under there. A lot of wood. So we trimmed this. We got some stuff we got to trim up. Front's all done. Clean this thing out. Spray wash this thing last time I was here. That's a shredder. We got to clear all this out so that it's nice and access to the river. Not access, but all over there. This is all got to be flattened out. Charger for 30 amp for my hook up there. Bought a bunch of stuff. Just a couple of things. Clean this thing out. Pulling all the dust and webs off the garage here that hasn't been cleaned in so long. I haven't did any work on it. I'm gonna tear this thing up, make it look really good. Real good. So let's get back to that pressure water. This is the next stop. This is the before. Bushes, but these things already just drop and make a big old mess, honey. My cat food, all this stuff. Look at that mess. This thing's got to go. It's these white flowers. Okay, I wouldn't have sent this thing, but I am going to check out one of these solar cams. C20 from Ufi, whatever it's called. It says tiny but mighty with continuous solar power. And you know me, I love solar. I'm going to check this camera out because I want to put up a little camera here just to check this driveway entrance. And I'm going to try and put it up right about there, somewhere up there, just so I can see what one of these little suckers do before I start spending money on a big old security system. Let's take it out. So what we got here? Just going over the living room. White paint. Fireplace is going to get an insert. Got the rugs coming in tomorrow. Got to do work on the kitchen next. The heater blasting. This is not one of my favorite things to do, but you know what? That's the way I like to do it. Got to do it. Boom. That's what I'm talking about.